This book is from 1740 and it's $250. This book is from 2005 and it's $3,500. Just because you have an old book doesn't mean it's a rare book. Modern books, 21st century books, can actually be much more expensive on the rare book marketplace because in fact it is a marketplace. So that means it follows the principles of supply and demand. How many copies survive and how much do people want it? And the demand part as well as the supply part are affected by a few different traits that people are looking for on the collectible marketplace. They are edition, condition, and completeness. So in the case of our 1740 book here, this book actually is an excerpt from a book that was first published in 1610. It's about Pope Joan, which is utterly fascinating in and of itself. If you don't know the story of Pope Joan, I encourage you to Google it now. But it's technically not a first edition in the truest sense. It's a much later reprint, published literally 130 years earlier. The next is condition. You can see that the joints on this book here do have a little bit of cracking. And then finally, completeness. This book is lacking its frontispiece. The frontispiece is the illustration that faces the title page. It is not complete, therefore we can't charge as much for it as we would in the marketplace when it comes to a complete copy with the frontispiece. Compare that to this No Country for Old Men, published in 2005. It's one of only 325 copies that's signed by Cormac McCarthy. It was actually meant to come out before the first trade edition, but delays from actually the hurricane caused this book to come out in December of the same year. But it's in fine condition, it's absolutely beautiful. It is signed by one of the most in-demand modern authors, and it has its slipcase, it's complete. So when you're looking at rare books, remember it's not about old books. Old books doesn't necessarily mean rare. 21st century books can be collectible too.